My name is Kelsey Woods, and I made a website for Ability Insurance Agency. They offer life insurance, auto insurance, business insurance, and home insurance. They also offer recreational vehicle insurance. They're located in West Jordan, Utah, and they currently have four insurance agents that work in the office. My family member is the owner of the company, and I reached out to them to see if I could kind of restructure their website, and they told me I could, so this is what I have done. Um, the page is pretty simple. I wanted to make sure it was something that was user friendly for all age groups and all people, those who are tech savvy and those who are not tech savvy. After all, everyone needs insurance, and so I wanted to make sure that it was a website that everybody could use and benefit from. Um, and so I feel like my design is pretty simple and straightforward. It's also the first website I've ever designed, and so it's something that took a lot of hard work and that I'm very proud of. Um, some specific feedback that I received, I had to do a lot of work with my nav bar to get it where I wanted it to be. And then I also used some different colors at first and used some different pictures, but in the end I just made sure everything blended and looked really nice together. And I just wanted it to be something everyone recommended, to make it something that flowed a lot better and that just looked more professional. So that's what I've done here. And then also just making it clean and simple, and something that is eye-catching but not too crazy and out there. Um, the innovative technology that I've used, this is the home page. This is what page pulls up when you first type in the website. And the innovative technology I used is this link right here. You can click here, type in your information, and then submit the file, and you will receive an email back with a quote for insurance, or will give you more information on what you need to do. So I think that that's pretty savvy. A lot of people these days, including myself, I like to just go online, get what I need to get, and then I don't have to talk to someone on the phone. I don't have to answer a bunch of questions. And obviously, they are going to have to talk to somebody, but this is a great way to start so that someone can contact them about the insurance that they're looking for, and someone can help get them what they're looking for after they've filled this out. So I think this is a really great tool that a lot of people can use. I also think it's super user friendly, with just clicking the link, typing in your name, last name, email, phone number, current insurance carrier, and type of insurance that you're looking for. Then if you have any questions, and then just submitting. And then also something that's nice is having the contact information on each page, is something that I really like. The element that I'm super proud of, I'm really proud of this page. This took me a lot of time to figure out how to do and to learn a lot about it and to make it look the way that I wanted it to look. I'm also super impressed with myself. Like I said, this is the first website that I have designed, and so it was something that I am really, really proud of. Some things that I think need a little bit more work. I know that I still kind of need to focus on making things center and making it something that is appealing to the eye, which I think it looks okay, but I just think there's some things I could work on here. I also, like I said before, it is a simple website and I like that, but I think that I could add a few things to it. I would also like to add another tab that talks about the insurance agents that work for the company. I think that that's super important for people to be able to see, so that they can connect with somebody and that they can kind of see who they're working with before they start working with them, and see if it's somebody that they would work well with. After all, your insurance agent knows a lot about you, and I think that gaining a personal, becoming, having a personal connection with them is also important. I would also kind of like to maybe, as you can tell as I'm clicking on the pages, they're all the same layout. They all have a different picture. But I think maybe making it something, each page something that's a little bit different as I move on in web design, kind of learning how to really personalize each page is something that's kind of important to me that I still don't have a ton of knowledge about yet, but I feel like I learned a lot in this class. And then I think also some things that I could work on are adding a few more pictures, even making like a kind of a slideshow of pictures at the top to just make it more eye-catching and more appealing to customers. Overall, I'm really happy with the way that my website turned out. It's something that I've worked really hard on, and the owner of the company was actually very excited about it. Their website right now is a very good website, but it wasn't as user friendly, and so that's kind of what they were looking for. But I think that mine still has some work that I can do. But overall, I think it's a great start, and I'm really proud of it. So just here's a quick run through. Here's the home page, or here's the home page, and on the home page is where you click to get the free insurance quote. And then here's the life insurance page. It just talks about planning and preparing for the future, why life insurance is important. And then auto insurance, and then for business insurance, and then home insurance. Then I also would like to add another tab that offers for the recreational vehicles, but that is something that they currently don't have on their website right now, and so, but eventually I will be adding that. But yep, this is my web page, and it is Ability Insurance Agency.